Hello and welcome. So this video is describing how you can add alt text to your images within your WordPress. So first of all, what is alt text? Alt text simply stands for alternative text, and what that text is used for, SEO, which is your search engine optimization. So the search engines can index your pages, they can find images and obviously the text, but the images with alt text will give the search engines a better description of what is being shown on the screen. Now, why is that useful? Well, people search for images all the time using the main search engines like Google, Bing and others. So you can actually search for a picture of, say, a car, or maybe you're looking for a type of product and you want to find a picture of it. Just have a look, and then you may click on that image and you may even visit the website, and that can bring people and traffic to your website. So it's a good thing to have indexed images. So what else is alt text used for? Well, some websites are displayed via browsers that are less common, and they're for the disabled community. So if you're visually impaired in any way, there's tools available, the web browsers available that can actually read out what's on the screen. They can see what image is there. If they can't see what image is there using AI, they've got text readers, and they may read the text on your blog, and then when it comes to an image, it will read out what the image is described as, what the image alt text is. So this brings a whole variety of people to your website. It doesn't exclude anybody, it includes more people, and that's a great thing for everybody involved. So putting that alt text in, it can help the disabled community, it can bring more people to your website, more people can enjoy your website, and also even just from a recovery perspective, say you need to recover your website, you're trying to work out what images are what. If they're all labeled image 1 to 3000, you're going to have to go through them manually because you now don't have a description of what those images are. So there are lots of reasons why it's a good idea to have alternative text on the image. Right, I've rambled enough on this, so where do we do it? So coming to your WordPress screen, obviously your initial WordPress dashboard is going to be different depending on how you're hosting your WordPress, but the principles are the same. On the left here you have your media. We've got other videos about media, how to add media, and how to manipulate media, but in this video it's alt text. So we want to go to the library, and this is obviously where all your images are kept. And in here you have your images. You pick an image. I'll pick this one because it's quite a good example for a number of reasons. The alternative text is already populated. I haven't actually populated this. This is an image that I've imported from pexels.com. The image, or the photo creator, is listed here. I'm trying to work out if it's AI generated or whether it's an actual photo. It looks like it's been edited in some way at the very least. However, it is an orange Volkswagen Beetle, and that's the alternative text. It's a photograph of an orange Beetle. Now, if you were searching for orange Beetles on Google Images, maybe you're searching for ideas about how to modify your car, or maybe you're searching for parts, or even just you have a nephew who's into Beetles and you want to have a photo of that, or a canvas created, and that's why it's a good idea to get your alternative text populated, and then your image will be indexed and obtainable from elsewhere. In this instance, we'll come into captions on another video, but the caption in this one has got the web address of where it came from, the original domain, and obviously the creator. And for them, giving out free images is good because this has been populated. You could then go off and find more pictures that they've created. Maybe there's more Beetle photos, or maybe car photos later. There's a whole host of ways that they can make use of all this, but these links will obviously link back to Pexels. Pexels will probably get more visits to their website as a result of having more people linking and creating captions and so on. So alternative text is a good place to start because it also shows search engines and AI that you're serious about creating quality content. It's not spam. It hasn't been spun up within a few seconds just to be a nuisance on the internet. You're creating a good quality website. You're labeling your photos correctly, those can then get indexed, they get analyzed, checked for copyright, all that sort of stuff. And then that way your website also gets more providence in the real world. You've also got a file URL, so here's a test domain, and the WordPress content folder with the uploads is where it's stored, and you get the full address there where it is. It puts it in a date format. It's giving it this title, which again we can go in and change that. You can change it just up there to be more relevant, so again that will help your indexing. Maybe change that to orange, beetle photo, yeah, whatever you like. And that's how you add alternative text to your images. If that's useful, give us a like. If you want to see more videos, or you want to go into more detail on these other items, there are more videos in the list there. Subscribe as the videos come out. Helpful hints and tips as you're building your knowledge with WordPress. And also it helps me as well to keep you all informed. You can also let me know if there are any ideas for future videos. Maybe you've got a particular problem. If I see a pattern, I'll create a video. It's simple as that. See a pattern of comments saying, hey, how do I edit this with AI? Well, we can click in there and start going. I can create a video for that. So write a comment below. I will see it, and hope that's been useful, and we'll see you in the next one. Thank you.